Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: a 5G-compatible dongle, an active SIM, and drivers. Once done, insert the SIM into the dongle and plug it into a USB 3.0 port. That gives stable power and full throughput. You install drivers from the manufacturer's installer or let Windows Update fetch them automatically, because correct drivers expose the network interface. Make sure laptop power settings won't suspend USB devices. This first step gets the hardware and basic software ready, so the connection can be established next. Next, you configure the connection so the dongle becomes an active internet interface. Open your OS network settings and choose mobile broadband or the dongle's connection manager. Create a profile and enter the APN provided by your carrier. If the carrier requires credentials, add them. Otherwise, leave them blank and set authentication to automatic. Once the profile is saved, connect and check signal strength and 5G icon. Make sure the dongle interface is prioritized over other adapters. Disable Wi-Fi temporarily to avoid routing conflicts. Finally, verify and optimize your session. You run a speed test and observe latency to confirm you're on 5G. If speeds are poor, move the dongle to a window or use a USB extension cable to reposition it. Update firmware and drivers to fix stability issues and attach an external antenna if available for weak coverage. If it fails to connect, restart the modem service or the laptop, reinsert the SIM, and reset the APN. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping the USB port or using a powered hub often resolves intermittent power or hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.